I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Docs and signing into the account that stores your documents. Once done, click the font drop-down in the toolbar and select More Fonts. That dialog is how Docs links to Google Fonts. Make sure you understand that this adds the font to your account's font list rather than uploading a file. That's why you use the built-in picker. Now search or filter fonts to find styles that match your document's tone and legibility needs. Next, use search or the category filters to narrow choices: serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, or monospace, because each category affects readability and tone. Click any font to add it. You'll see selections populate a list at the right side of the dialog, which is your temporary cart. Make deliberate choices. Fewer fonts keep designs consistent. When satisfied, click OK to add them to your Docs font menu. This makes them instantly available in the editor for that Google account across devices. Finally, highlight the text you want and choose your new font from the toolbar. Apply it to headings or body text and then update paragraph styles so formatting stays consistent. If you want the font to appear on another device, make sure you're signed into the same Google account and that Docs is synced. If the font fails to show, refresh the document, sign out and back in, or clear your browser cache. These steps resolve most sync or caching glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.